The pandemic was tough on children, many stuck at home away from classmates and friends, of course, for months. Now there's a soaring need for mental health services for kids, even those in elementary school.
So, Oregon Senator Ron Wyden actually had a meeting today with several service providers as well as parents to find out more about this important topic. Our Lisa Balick was there. She joins us live in studio with much more. Lisa?
Yeah, it's interesting. The senator brought in the head of Medicare and Medicaid services. That's the government program that helps pay for medical costs for people with limited income. But it turns out it's not just lower income families needing a lot of help.
What we all recognize is the reality of young people sounding an alarm clear and loud across Oregon.
What the senator and the head of the Center for Medicaid and Medicare heard was growing concerns about children's mental health. Not enough providers, not enough access to mental health care for young children and teens. Pediatricians, child psych unit administrators, parents, hotline workers detailing the growing need to help children. Children and parents not knowing or finding places to get help, long waits to meet or talk with someone. One of the most compelling personal stories came from the head of the Oregon Food Bank, a mother struggling to get the care her elementary-age son desperately needs.
Our system is failing my son. In February of this year, 2 weeks before his 10th birthday, we called 911 for the second time in a week. At school, he was out of control. The police came, the ambulance came, he was transported to Dornbecker. This was his 5th visit to the emergency room.
Morgan said the hospital promised to keep him until an acute psychiatric bed was open. Instead, after 6 nights in the ER where she slept on the floor of his padded room, he was sent home.
If I can't make this system work, me, white, privileged, on a first-name basis with senators, with English as my first language, and a flexible job, then this system is failing all of our children.
Also at the table, the Balmer Institute, the new Portland program run by the University of Oregon that will soon start providing training in children's mental health, and an undergraduate program to produce behavioral health practitioners for schools, community groups, and families. Senator Wyden again said he is listening to what they had to say, understanding more funding is needed. He will be taking their messages, he says, back to Washington, D.C. for action.